Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw some Star Wars characters, and this time it's gonna be Darth Vader. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with the eye area. So this is gonna be the, I guess the bottom of the helmet. So right in the middle here, I'm just gonna draw two arcs like this going out. So it kind of comes up and then kind of slants down. Okay, and then in the middle right here, I'm gonna draw two lines just straight down. And then on the bottom here, I'm gonna draw, this is, I guess, could be his nose. Okay, so just curve and then just close that off. Okay, and then now to draw in the eye socket area. So on this area right here, we just kind of come down, just give it a slight curve. So all the way down to the nose. Okay, so once you have this bracket, we're gonna draw a line just straight back into the nose. Okay, so that's the eye socket. So there's gonna be another layer here. So this one's easy. We're just gonna try to draw a little bit rounder. Go back to the center. Again, just kind of a little bit rounder. Let's close that off. Okay, and then we can add in, we'll just add in a couple of dots in the middle, just for some detail. Okay, so then from here, we're gonna go from the nose, just kind of draw two slants coming down. And then we're gonna go back up. So we just kind of close that off. And then in the middle here, right at the end, just gonna draw one circle. So same thing on this side. And then we're gonna draw a horizontal line just straight across. Okay, and then so here's the little vents, I guess. So one line in the middle, and then we just gotta draw three more lines on each side. So 1, 2, and 3. And then for the bottom here, the chin, we're just gonna draw a curve connecting that. Okay, and we're almost done. So for this part here, same line as that, just slant it up. And then we're gonna draw curves, which is gonna be the same as this, into the face. Okay, so now let's finish up with the helmet. So on the side here, right in the corner, I'm gonna come down all the way right about here. So same thing on this side, we're gonna slant it down. Then we're gonna go out slightly. And then we're gonna go back up. Okay, so right about here. So it's almost like just two bars. And then from here, we're gonna draw in the big dome shape here. So we're just gonna go up on each side. And then the middle here is gonna be a little bit flatter. Okay, and then for some detail, there's gonna be a bar in the middle. So we're just gonna draw two lines. Straight down. And then before we finish up the helmet, we're gonna draw in his neck. Just come down and close it off. And then let's just draw one section, just flare it out. And then again, same curve on the bottom. So that's gonna be his collar. Okay, so to finish off the helmet on the back, so we're gonna start from this point and we're just gonna come into the neck. So just give it like a little bit of curve. So from here, a little bit of curve all the way to the neck. Alright, so that's the back side of the helmet. Alright, so let's move on to the body. So the body is actually pretty easy to draw. So let's start out with the shoulder, and this is gonna be part of his cape as well. So we're gonna slant out all the way down up to here. We're gonna slant it down. This is gonna be a shoulder, but it's also part of the cape. And then we're gonna come back up into the collar. So the cape is draping down. Okay, and then right here in the center, we're gonna draw one line. And then on the side here, it's kind of like its shoulder area where the armpit's gonna be. Okay, and then we're gonna draw Just kind of connect that line, straight line. Then for the body itself, we're just gonna come down. And then right here, we're gonna draw one box. It's got a lot of paneling in here, and same thing on this side. So just draw two boxes like that. And then in the middle, now we're gonna draw in the belt. So we're gonna go straight across. And for the buckle, two lines, and let's just finish that off with a little curve. Okay, and then let's see. All right, let's add in the, it's got a big panel right here, box in the middle. And then for some details, I'm not gonna draw in everything here, so I'm just gonna draw a couple of bars and maybe a couple of buttons on this side. Okay, and then on the bottom here, same thing, I'll just draw a couple of buttons. Alright, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just a little bit of detail. Okay, and then let's see, to finish up the detail here, so we're gonna draw one curve going this way. Okay, so it's gonna be symmetrical. And we're just dividing up the space, so once I color it in, you'll be able to see those bars a lot better. And then we're gonna draw one more. Just slight curves. Okay, so let's move on to the arms. So right here, so we're gonna continue this down. It's gonna be a shoulder. And then we're just gonna go all the way back up here. So this is another, it's got a little bit more armor there. So here's the armpit. Biceps, two brackets. Here's the elbow. Come out, and we can close it off. He's got gloves here. And we can extend it just slightly. He's got pretty large gloves. And then we'll just pinch it in. And then for his fists, come down, hook it, back of the fist, just curl it in. Okay, so his arms are pretty simple. So then the other side, same thing here. Shoulder slanting down, go back to the corner here. Here's the armpit. Bracket. Bicep. Elbow, and then again, lower arms. Close that off. Then we're gonna pinch it in. Close that off. And then it's gonna be holding his lightsaber, so we're gonna go down. Hook it, that's gonna be his thumb. Here's the palm. Alright, and then we're gonna draw in, I'm just gonna draw in 3 fingers here, because I don't have a lot of space. Okay, so just 3 little fingers, and then right here, here's the lightsaber, we'll just draw in a little rectangle. And then whatever space you have here, just close that off. So that's gonna be the palm. Alright, so we're gonna continue the lightsaber here, the handle. I'm gonna extend it slightly. Draw a curve. And on the back side, just draw a little rectangle there. Okay, and I'll draw in the actual lightsaber. The tip later. Let's get in the legs first. So here in the middle, we're gonna draw. So make a little mark first. And this is part of his armor here on the corner. Gonna draw a curve coming down. Okay, and then here, his legs coming out. Pinch it in. Close it off. Okay, so this is his knee. So we're gonna continue the shape here. Just come down, and we'll just close that off for now. Okay, so same thing on the other side. We're gonna continue this curve. Line going out, inside. Pinch it in. Okay, dome shape. This side, and then we'll come down. Continue the dome shape. Close it off. And then let's go back up here, because this is part of his, I guess, part of his robe here. So we're just gonna draw a curve like that, so it's going behind him. And then for, let's see, the details on the knee pad, we can just draw in 2 lines like this. Okay, and then let's finish up with the boot. So this one is easy, not too much detail. So flare out, pinch it in, close it off, and then dome shape, come down, just come out more on this side. It's a little bit flatter. Close it off and just add a little bit of sole. Same thing on the other side. Flare out, pinch it in, close it, dome shape, come out, close, and then a little bit of sole. And that's it for his legs. And there's some detail on the body. I'll do that with the smaller Sharpie. But okay, let's finish up with the cape. So for his cape, on the arm here, I'm just gonna come down. Okay, and then on this side here, right around this area, just gonna come down. So it doesn't have to be exact, as long as you have a line coming down. And then we're just gonna go behind the legs, just give it a little bit of waviness to it. And then just close that off. Okay, and then let's finish up with the lightsaber. So this part's easy, we're just basically extending the line there. It should be pretty cool once I color this. All right. So that is it, and let me finish up. There's some lines on the body, but I'm gonna use a smaller Sharpie because I don't want to draw too many thick lines or it's gonna get really messy. So on his body, he's just got some lines, so he just draw in some of these lines for some extra detail. Draw in 3 lines, and then even on his arm, just try to follow the curvature. So here, 1, so it curves a little bit. Smaller one in there, and then even on his legs here. So 1 straight in the middle, and then we just kind of curve it out. And that is it for this Darth Vader drawing. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.